morning everybody and welcome to the English warm-up for Friday the 15th. You'll need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper for this. Now my first question to you today is, what is a compound word? Well, a compound word is when two words join to form a new meaning. So in the first example we've got day, which we know is 24 hours, and dream, which is something that you may experience when you're asleep. If we join those two words together, we make a word with a very different meaning, a daydream. This is something you might do during one of my maths lessons when you go off into a fantasy land, or it might be just something when you're feeling a little bit bored, nothing to do, and you just look out the window. And the second example, we've got butter, we cook with it, spread it on our bread, and cup that we drink out of. These two words join together to form the compound word buttercup, which is a flower. Now, there are different ways to make compound words. We've looked at this way, which is joining two separate words and they simply become one bigger word. So skate and board is skateboard. Now, if we join post and office, we make the compound word post office, but it's called an open compound word because it's not joined as one word. Post itself is mail that comes through your door, and office is where people go to work. They've been joined to make a post office, which is a very distinct building, but it's open compound, the two words aren't joined. And the final way you can make a compound word is with a hyphen. So long, something which is lengthy, and term, which is a period of time, join to become long term, but they have a hyphen between them. So closed compound, open compound, hyphenated compound. Now, here I have a list of words that can very easily be joined to make compound words. So we could join light and house for lighthouse, rainbow, baseball, popcorn and cowboy. But you are playing the compound invention game. So what you need to do is to take a word from the left hand side and attach it to a word from the right hand column to make a compound word. So because we're inventing, it isn't going to be a word that's actually in existence. So you could have a pop house or a cow corn or a rainbow. And once you have joined your two words to form your compound word, you have then got to sell your invention to your friends. Let me give you an example. So I picked light and bow to make a compound word, light bow. I then had to sell it to people. The light bow is a bow tie that lights up, very useful if you are out walking in the dark. You will be the envy of all your friends in this exciting fashion must-have. So get your pen or pencil ready, invent a compound word and sell it to your friends. Try to do this with 3 different compound words. I would love to see your sentences. When you've finished, you need to head over to Google Classroom and there you will find a reading comprehension for your literacy work this Friday.